फेवरेस्की रीअरेंजमेंट। फेवरेस्की रीअरेंजमेंट में अल्फा हेलोकीटोन्स cycloketone rearrange to carboxylic acid and esters in the presence of base. Alpha haloketones, carbonyl ketone group, ketonic group, alpha carbon that is adjacent carbon containing halo group or Cl group in the presence of base NaOH converted to carboxylic acid derivative or sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Another example, carbonyl group, adjacent carbon containing halo group in the presence of methoxide ion or sodium methoxide converted to esters. Cycloketones having adjacent carbon Cl group in the presence of base ring become contract 6-member ring rearranged to 5-member ring. How come to the mechanism how the Favorsky rearrangement take place. In the mechanism, alpha haloketones, ketonic group, adjacent carbon, one of the adjacent carbon containing H group and another containing halo group. Alpha haloketone in the presence of base converted to enolate ion. This enolate ion converted to or rearranged to cyclopropane ring or cyclopropane intermediate. Cyclopropane ring, very reactive, gave nucleophilic addition on carbonyl carbon. Carbonyl carbon gave nucleophilic addition on carbonyl carbon. The lone pair of oxygen shifted to this way and the ring open to give a adjacent carbanion or transit carbanion. This transit carbanion protonated by solvent and give carboxylic acid derivatives. In cyclic compound, abstraction of proton, formation of cyclopropane intermediate, nucleophilic addition, ring open, this side, protonated and converted to 5-member ring or 6-member ring converted to 5-member ring. Some more example to know about the Favorsky reaction. Alpha haloketones, ketonic group, alpha position in the presence of alkoxide ion gave enolate ion. Enolate ion converted to 3-member ring, cyclopropane ring on nucleophilic addition. Then ring open either on the A side or on the B side. The possible way is A or B. If ring open on the A side, it gives negative charge on benzyl carbon, and this if open on the B side, the negative charge on the alkyl carbon. Benzyl carbanion more stable than alkyl one, then the possible way is A. Another example, alpha haloketones, abstraction of proton, converted to cyclopropane ring, nucleophilic addition, ring open on the this side or on the B side. If open on the A side, the negative charge on the more substituted carbon, and open on the B side the negative charge on the less substituted carbon. Carbonyl, primary carbonyl is more stable than secondary, and secondary is more stable than tertiary. Now the possible way is B. Example 3. Carbonyl carbon, alpha position, abstraction of proton, converted to cyclopropane ring, nucleophilic addition, ring open on the side, 6-member ring converted into 5-member ring. Example 4. Alpha haloketones converted to 3-member ring, nucleophilic addition. One of the carbon is tertiary and another one is primary, more substituted, less substituted, ring open on the less substituted carbon. 7-member ring converted to 6-member ring. Favorsky reaction is also stereospecific. This is axial position, equatorial position. Carboxylic group goes to the axial position. Here the carboxylic group goes to the equatorial position. This reaction is also stereoselective. If alpha haloketones, abstraction of proton, cyclopropane intermediate, addition of nucleophilic addition, always cis products is formed. Another example, alpha dihaloketones, abstraction of proton, formation of cyclopropane ring, nucleophilic addition, cis product is formed. If no hydrogen at alpha position, then direct nucleophile add on the carbonyl carbon. This is just like similar as a benzylic mechanism and rearrange to carboxylic acid. This mechanism is also known as quasi-Favorsky rearrangement or semi-benzylic rearrangement.